So, quite an operation.
Yeah.
So, guys, this is a really good friend of mine. His name is Basheer. I call him Bash.
Guys.
All right. So, what are we doing today?
Well, today, kid, we are going to experience one of our popular activities, which is a Palm Jumeirah Kayak Tour. It will see us launch from the Sofitel Hotel, which is at East Crescent. We'll paddle towards West Crescent. Along the tour, we'll pass by some popular landmarks like Atlantis Hotel, some of the amazing villas on the Fonds, Emerald Kempinski, New Royal Atlantis residence, and a couple of impressive properties. The best thing about the tour, the water's calm. It's flat water, little wind, so it makes paddle activity like this enjoyable to do for all abilities, whether you're a beginner or you're experienced. So we're going to get a good glimpse of the Palm Jumeirah from a different perspective. That's how we like to tell our clients. And the conditions look perfect today, so yeah. We'll and if we've got some time, we'll probably stop off.
Do something.
Go check out something.
Right.
Yeah.
This is year round.
This is year round. I would say from September until the end of June. July, August, however, we kind of stop operation due to extreme weather, obviously. But we are working on something where it would involve either early mornings or very late afternoons, early evenings.
Those are the only times where you can actually.
Those are the only suitable
spend the heat.
timings. Yeah. You probably get a little bit of humidity then, but we should get a breeze being out on open water.
Sure.
That's what we hope for.
Yeah.
So yeah, all the way around, very popular activities. A lot of visitors to the UAE tend to want to do something different rather than do desert safari, so they choose this. Residents who prefer maybe being outdoors instead of going to a Friday brunch will probably come and choose us. So we cater to everyone, and whatever you're looking for, if it's outdoors, water sports with less impact on the environment,
Sure.
Nothing too extreme, then yeah, kayaking and paddleboarding are the best solution.
What about for people that have zero experience on kayaks? I mean, what are the things that help you make them overcome stuff like that?
Well, fortunately, we have very experienced guys with us. Number one, they're all lifeguards, so safety is our priority. So we let them know that they're in safe hands. If they've never been out on water before on a kayak, we do give them a little briefing on land. We show them how to paddle.
So there's some instruction.
There is some instruction. There's got to be, and we make sure before they go out on the water they know at least the basics. But as it's a guided tour, we're with them everywhere, every step of the way. And I mean, kayaking, you know, simply practice makes perfect. Once
Sure.
you get the hang of it, it's
So the question is, who's giving the tour now? Okay, so this is actually a view that a lot of people in my channel actually have seen already. This is a normally the tour stops over at the end right there, okay, but we decided to I mean, you guys have seen the shoreline, right? So we just decided to stay here or stop here because we could actually just what do you call this, sit down and chill a bit, because there's like somewhere you could sit. And so this place is it for a few minutes. The pool is on. Yeah. How long are these tours?
so these tours average 2.5 hours, 2 hours 45 minutes. We do have a shorter version for, let's say, someone maybe not who struggle out there. We'll probably do it an hour and a half. But most of the times, 2.5 hours tour is perfect enough to get the full experience. And yeah, I would say someone on a beginner to intermediate level, that's a good amount of time. So 2.5 hours is roughly, let's say, an inexperienced paddler to take them to do this tour.
And it's not just kayaks.
Not just kayaks, we've got paddle boards, so SUPs. We have an SUP tour and the kayak tour. Kayak tours run twice a day, so 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. SUP tours are by the hour, and they are shorter, they're an hour and a half because it's a little bit more physical demanding. Those are two options, and then apart from that tours, we've got your usual rentals and lessons for your sailing, your paddleboarding, windsurfing.
So anyone can just come here even without the tour. They'd be able to just rent the kayak.
Yeah, sure. They want to rent a double kayak or single kayak for half an hour or more, they can. Even if people don't want to come over to our centre, the residents on the Palm that have asked to borrow a kayak for a weekend or a few days.
Oh, they can do that.
Yeah, they can do that too. Yeah, we've.
And do you deliver?
We drop it off, yeah. We drop it off if Nikki allows. No, but then we'll drop it off. I mean, it's very accessible from here.
Sure.
So we got a 4x4. We just put it on top.
Alright, so we're back home and day's done. Now, all in all, what I could say about this whole thing is that quite an experience, and there's a lot more to the Palm than I thought there was. I actually found a few flats that I didn't know existed, and coming back in, because it was it is a low tide, I've even seen and spotted more things. And at one point, I don't know if you can see it in the time lapse, but at one point I actually saw kids way out into the point, and that's actually very valuable information, because especially when you're looking for brim, deep water brim, it's, you know, knowing these places is actually kind of useful. So that's it. It's a very, very beautiful day, and I mean, I'll show you the water now, and look at that. It is just amazing here. So for a lot of you guys that are not familiar with the Palm, you just want to see it in a different perspective and everything, I hope this video helps. And you know, spending time with Bash in the water, that was also kind of really nice, because you know, it's not always that you could find someone who has the same passion for, let's say in this instance, kayaking, that well, especially paddle kayaks. And Bash is definitely one of those guys that just loves paddling out there. So I'll leave you here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys actually learned something. At least, you know, just seeing the Palm, I really wanted to show you guys how it looked like and everything. And if you got questions, just hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.